Law needs diversity because without allowing for different perspectives, experiences, and opinions to be heard, the legal profession cannot meaningfully work towards social justice and change.
Law needs diversity because the main goal of the legal profession is to be equitable and have the most just outcomes for all citizens, all individuals. And that goal can be difficult to achieve when everyone in the profession is of the same background and has a homogeneous environment. And so when you have a diversity of people within the profession, that breeds a diversity of perspective, and then that diversity of perspective helps the profession better execute its goals of equity, of having the most amount of just outcomes for the most amount of people.
Law needs diversity because the legal field can and will only be at its best when all voices, identities, and perspectives are heard. Diverse perspectives are what allow the legal field, and all of us in it, to grow and evolve into a system that welcomes everyone. A more diverse legal field is a better legal field.
Law needs diversity because diverse perspectives inform greater solutions in the workplace. The more minds we have at the table, the better we're able to help serve our increasingly diverse society.
Law needs diversity because it helps ensure that the laws and policies are fair and just, reflecting the wider range of individuals and experiences that Canada has. Further, having diversity in law and the legal profession helps increase public trust and deepen the understanding of law.
Law needs diversity because diverse understandings of the law, the legal profession, and the world are essential to achieve justice.
Law needs diversity because society is made up of a multitude of experiences and realities, and the law that governs that society should be representative of that.
Law needs diversity because it brings a variety of perspectives and ideas to the table, making it easier to understand the unique challenges faced by different groups of people. This allows for a more comprehensive and nuanced approach to the law, leading to fairer and more just outcomes.
Law needs diversity because multiple perspectives matter. Law does not only affect one specific category of people, it affects all people. So if it is as diverse as the people it represents, it can ensure that law is implemented in a fair and inclusive way.
The law needs diversity to ensure that all perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences are represented in our decision making. This leads to more equitable outcomes for our clients and for society as a whole.
Law needs diversity because different people bring different perspectives and approaches to problem solving. By working together in diverse and collaborative environments, we are all propelled into becoming better lawyers. By bringing more diversity to the law, we create more rounded and holistic legal professionals.
Law needs diversity because the laws we uphold reflect society's values and changes in those values. While the legal system is not perfect, because it is a human construct and no human is perfect, the law is for everybody, and it should reflect everybody.
Law needs diversity because different perspectives matter and they deserve to be heard. Our society is diverse and our legal system is at its best when it reflects this reality. Law
needs diversity because the world that it interacts with is diverse. And so to be an accurate representation of who it is creating justice for, law therefore needs to be diverse.
Law needs diversity because we want the legal profession to be representative of the diverse world we live in. We want lawyers that are able to empathize and connect with clients regardless of their socioeconomic background, ethnicity, gender, abilities, etc.
Law needs diversity so we can serve our clients better.
Law needs diversity because at the very core of the profession, it exists to ensure that people receive equal justice, and that's why I think that it's really important that the legal profession mirrors the ethno-cultural and social diversity of the population that it serves. I think when there's an absence of diversity, the perceived legitimacy of the judicial system is at stake, and this is because an individual's interpretation of the law, more often than not, I think is influenced by their background and their life experiences. So when you have a court where the judges, the prosecutors, the defenders, they aren't reflective of the diversity of the population at large, it may lose credibility and respect in the eyes of those who feel that their views and their circumstances are not being fairly represented.
Diversity in law is very important because it ensures that all voices are heard and that different backgrounds and experiences are all brought to the table when it comes to decision makings and the laws we create for our country.